Welcome back. 5:08 right now. The stepmother accused of holding a man captive for most of his life in Waterbury expected in a courtroom later today. Her attorneys tell News 8 that she plans to enter not guilty pleas to a slew of different charges.
Meanwhile, the victim's receiving an outpouring of support from the community and beyond.
News 8's Brittany Taylor joins us live from the courthouse in Waterbury with more. Brittany, good morning.
Good morning, Keith and Laura. That's right. Nearly $200,000 has been raised for this man who police say was held captive by his stepmother for over 20 years. And that money is currently being raised by a community organization here in Waterbury called Safe Haven. This is a domestic violence agency. And the head of that organization tells News 8 that she feels a lot of compassion and empathy towards this victim, having spent most of her career as a detective working on sexual assault and serious domestic violence cases. Police saying that the now 32-year-old man was starved, abused, and locked in a small room for most of his life. The victim setting his room on fire in an effort to escape captivity. And when he was examined, according to court documents, the 5'9" man weighed under 70 pounds. He was malnourished and emaciated. Safe Haven says all of this money will go towards his recovery. He'll be able to access the funds when he begins to rebuild his life. The organization is grateful to those who have felt compelled to help, even though most people don't even know the man personally.
Do you think he'll need lifelong type of treatment?
Somebody in that situation, I think so, at least through getting through therapy. It's probably going to be a long process, so any of the resources that we can provide to an individual in that situation, whether it's just even financial from our GoFundMe, we're happy to help.
Now, as for the stepmother, 56-year-old Kimberly Sullivan, she is expected to appear here at the Waterbury Courthouse later this morning at 10 a.m. and plead not guilty to a slew of charges, including kidnapping and assault. Live in Waterbury this morning, I'm Brittany Taylor. Laura, Keith, back to you.